Hello everyone, I am Raju Sharma in front of you. After the chapter first, electricity, now we started on our second chapter, magnetic effect of current. The first topic of that chapter is magnet. What is a magnet? Magnet is the taken by Latin word magnetite. It is the ores of iron Fe3O4. Magnet is taken by Latin word magnetite. It is the ores of iron Fe3O4, and magnet have the generally two pole, north pole and south pole. The north pole of the magnet is show that the positive direction, and the south pole of the magnet is always show that the negative direction. Now generally iron have the two ores, one is magnetite and another is hematite. The hematite, it was the chemical formula Fe2O3, but the magnetite, that was generally Fe3O4. Magnet is that substance to be formed the raw material of iron, and it was generally combined between or combination between two types of the pole, north pole and south pole. North pole is always show that the positive direction, and south pole is show that the negative direction. This type of magnet is generally formed in earth crust in impure condition, but we never used to the natural magnet in our different electric appliances, because the magnetism capacity of the natural magnet is very big and it is also uncertain. What is the magnetism? Now we discuss what is the magnetism. It was a generally attraction capacity of the magnet. It is known as the magnetism. But a question in front of students, stand you, why a magnet attract to the iron? Because we know that magnet is the raw material of iron. When we nearby any magnet to like as bar magnet that have generally two pole, north pole and south pole. When any soft iron plate or iron plate to nearby the magnet, then we observe that just opposite pole is developed on the iron plate. Therefore, both charge are generally opposite. South pole is show that the negative direction, and the north pole is show that the positive direction. Therefore, the magnet is closely packed to each other. That was the question in front of you. Why a magnet attract to iron? You know that magnet is always attract to iron, because when the nearby the magnet to any iron plate or substance of iron, then just opposite pole is developed on the iron plate, a iron rod, a iron metallic sheet, that will be opposite charge are attract to each other. Therefore, magnet are closely packed. Now the magnet is also the different types of the structure, and the different types of magnet is useful in our electrical appliances, but we are always used to the artificial magnet. Why are we used to the artificial magnet in our electrical appliances? Because the magnetism capacity of the artificial magnet is more stronger than the natural magnet. Magnet have generally two types. One is natural magnet, another is artificial. What is the natural magnet? This type of magnet is formed in earth crust in pure condition. That was generally natural magnet. But the artificial magnet, it was generally made by the humans, and it will be made in the different laboratories, factories and etc. We can be increase and decrease the magnetism of the natural magnet, and it was generally formed in the laboratories or factory. Now we discuss about how will we form the artificial magnet. how will we form artificial magnet? Now first we take it soft iron U-shaped plate, and it will be mounted with the laminated copper wire, and one end is also connected with the bar magnet and into S, and it is also connected with the battery and key. Now when observe that was the total circuit. It was a U-shaped soft iron plate, and it is connected with the battery and key. When the current will be transferred from the battery and key and afterward reached at the bar magnet N into S, then it will be behave as the process of the harmonic emissions, and the temperature is also increased, and after some time the particles of the magnet will be transferred at the soft iron plate, and it is connected with the metallic wire to like as aluminum or copper. When we observe that after some times a soft iron plate is also behave as the artificial magnet. Now we increase and decrease the effect of the magnetism by the flow of current increase and decrease. Hello. Now we discuss to another important topic in that chapter is magnetic field. Now the topic is magnetic field. What is magnetic field? An area there experience the behavior of magnet, it is known as the magnetic field, and it is generally two types. One is represented by cross, that means the magnetic field is always inward direction. But another method, it will be represented by dot. It means magnetic field in outward direction. In outward direction. The magnetic field is generally represented by capital B, and we can be easily identified to the derived unit of the magnetic field by the Lorentz force relation F is equal to QB. B is equal to F upon QB. The derived unit of the force kilogram meter second minus 2. Charge ampere second, and V is the velocity meter second minus 1. Now we observe the derived unit of magnetic field. B is equal to kilogram meter 0 second power minus 1 now the second power is minus 2 because second power 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled to each other, and meter is also cancelled from meter. Now the derived unit of the magnetic field is kilogram second power minus 2. Our SI unit is known as S. That was the magnetic field. We know that magnetic field is generally two types. One is cross, another is dot. What is a cross? When the magnetic field is inward direction, then it will be always so that cross. But the magnetic field is outward direction, it was generally represented by dot. Now we discuss another important topic in this chapter. Magnetic field line or force. Magnetic field line or force. What is magnetic field or force line? Magnetic field or force line, it is show that the imaginary direction of the magnetic field, and it is always started from the positive to negative. The different property of the magnetic field line. First, we discuss what is the magnetic field line. It is represented by the imaginary or virtual direction of the magnet. It is known as the magnetic field line or force line. And the magnetic field or force line is also followed to the different character or different properties. First, a magnetic field line is always started from positive to negative. The intensity of the magnetic field is maximum at the pole. We know that magnet have the two poles, north pole and south. It was generally represented by diagram. First, we observe the direction of the any given area or any surface with help of compass needle. What is the compass needle? It was generally structure of teeny particle magnet. It had the needle and it will be observe the direction north, south, east, west. That was generally represented at the paper of the direction in this way. North at the paper is always upper end, south just opposite, east and west. Both are intersect to each other at the right. Now we discuss how will be the compass needle to identify the direction. The compass needle, it was the teeny particle magnet, and we can be observe the direction of the magnetic field too easily. Okay students, goodbye. Now we meet to our another video. Now discuss at the magnetic field line and force line. Okay.